What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel where I talk and do everything pinball. So if that sounds interesting to you, then hit that subscribe button down below. It's been a while, so I figure it's about time I give you guys an Addams Family Machine restoration update. Jason has been hard at work on this game. He's put in at least 250 hours. I don't know the exact figures, but he's spent at least $2 grand. Jason's wife, if you're watching this, don't get mad. Trust me, he's got plenty of room to profit if he decides to sell this game. I want to apologize to those of you that would love to see this have been done step by step, going over everything that he's done as we're doing it, but our schedules don't line up anymore. What would typically happen is that he gets to a certain point and he lets me know where he's at. I would come over after I get off work, get some footage to basically show where he has progressed. And that is not to say that we're not going to be going over this machine whenever it's all said and done to give you the information that you need in order to do a playfield swap with this machine. This is something I want to do for the finale, is show you everything that he had to do. Any kind of, issue that he had to deal with that potentially those of you would have to deal with. He's going to go over everything. Things to look out for, do's and don'ts for you. We're not going to be losing a whole bunch, but we are going to be showing you basically rags to riches through the series, but the finale will give you much more information. So with that being said, on with the show.
What's up, man?
How's it going, man?
Wore out. Too much big metal on that thing.
You missing Centaur already then?
Yeah, Centaur was easy on the top side compared to this one.
I'm surprised you're doing the top side before getting the back side all
I
done.
was gonna do all the bumpers and stuff like that. I thought if I do that, then that'll be less stuff on the bottom side that I've got to figure out, what holes go where. Because there's a bunch of stuff drilled through on that sucker. So that's why I did. I mean, I'm not going to finish it. I'm not going to put the plastics or any of that on, but I'm just basically I'm just almost there, and I'm going to flip it over and put the wiring harness on the back side. Targets on the wiring harness. The hand always rubs on the box handle, like you said. Take that box out. The detergent over there.
Oh, every single one of these was broken. Yep, I think I've had about 3 or 4 different of my machines that I purchased where one's broken, like Jackbot.
One of the rings was, even the threads on one of the rings were just completely broke off. I was like, I'm not even gonna clean this mess up for $8 a piece all over brand new rings and be done with it. So I'll have to clean the hands up, but it's still in good shape and it worked just fine. So.
Yeah. Now I want to talk a little bit about how far he's come and how good this game looks. At this point in time, you can see that he has done a tremendous amount of work when it comes to polishing all the metal. And also at this point, the rubbers that he has on here are not final. We ended up having to get a hold of Titan to make sure that we had the appropriate colors and sizes. We have now resolved that, but it's not going to be in this video. So you can see he's got pretty much brand new everything when it comes to the ramps. I mean, obviously a whole bunch of stuff is brand new because it had to be, because the previous was so damaged and it had to be replaced. So going over this, you can see that a good choice of color for your rubbers is gray for this particular machine. So, oddly enough, I didn't know it was going to go well with gray, but it turns out gray is actually a good choice for this machine. Let me know what you think. Now, currently the ramp is just sitting there on the playfield. It's not bolted down because he's not done. He was actually wanting to do something with that thin piece of metal that goes from the ramp onto the playfield. He didn't like how the basic regular one looked. So in the upcoming video, he's going to show you how he got those things polished to a chrome finish. The game is starting to look as if it just came off of the factory floor. Great. Not to mention, he will be adding mods to this game. So that's it, guys. That is your Addams Family restoration update for now. How I believe this is going to go is that I'm going to have one more video on this channel giving you an update on how the machine looks and even how it plays. But the finale will be on the straight down the middle page. That's going to wrap this video up, guys. I hope you enjoy, and I'm glad that this machine is coming together the way it is. And once again, give Jason some kudos down below in the comments section. He is working really hard on this machine, and I believe it's going to be up there with the best of the best when it comes to this particular game. So if you think the game looks good, give it a thumbs up down below so Jason knows that he's doing a great job. And if you haven't already, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can be notified of whenever I upload something for your viewing pleasure. Until next time, guys. Peace out.